right, the last step then is once you have all of your kind of calculations done is now to start sketching on your paper. And so the easiest way for me is to just start with just your tiny house first. So we know that I'm just going to use my example, so yours might be a little bit different, but mine is going to be a width of 17 and a length of 47. So obviously looking at my paper, this would be my width and this would be my length, just because it's longer down here. If you want to do yours this way, that's fine. You could do the length you could do the width this direction and then the length that way. I'm going to leave mine this direction. So I'm 17 boxes for my width, and I'm going to use my marker. You are going to use a pencil and a ruler. I don't have it's hard for me to hold my phone and a ruler at the same time. So I'm just going to show you kind of how to get started. So I'm going to start pretty high up here in the corner, and I'm going to put a dot in the corner of a box. And this is going to be my first block that I'm going to count. And I'm going to count 17. You don't need to write this, but I'm just going to kind of show you how I'm counting boxes. So that would be box 1. This would be 2. This would be 3, 4. So you kind of get the idea. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So this would be my last dot because this is box 17. Okay, I would then get my ruler. Let's say that this is a very good example. I'd get my ruler and I would connect these two dots and I would draw a straight line there. Okay, you notice on your scoring guide you get points for straight lines. So then this would be, and this again isn't going to be very straight, plus you're using a pencil. That would be my width of my tiny house. Now you're like, well, you wasted a lot of space down here. It's okay. We had to, because we're going to then have to count 47 spaces this direction. And I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to start in the same corner. That's box 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47. So this right here is my 47th block. I'm going to put a dot there, and then I'm going to draw a straight line connecting those two, and then you can draw a straight line down to meet up with that line, and then that would be your shipping container. So you can kind of see why we had to use 2 pieces of paper. I know we're kind of wasting the bottom part here. You could start yours down so you're more in the middle if you would like, but that's how you're going to sketch. So let's see if I can roughly, so you can kind of see an idea here. And yours should not look like this because I did not use a ruler, but that's your tiny house outline. And then maybe you have 2 stories. So if you're going to have 2 stories, you actually would, yeah, we are not going to have 2 stories. Sorry, never mind. You could have a loft. And so if you do have a loft, you can talk to me about that. But then you would come in with the rest of your furniture, and based off the number of blocks it is. So again, you have a length by width. Let's say your TV or your, I don't know, can't think of something. Let's say it's 2 boxes by 4. You would do 2 boxes by 4 boxes. And maybe you want it against the wall, so then it would be 2 boxes by 4 boxes. Again, you should be using a ruler and all straight lines. And then you would label this. Let's say this is a counter. This is a couch. And then you have to put in your real dimensions here. Don't forget go back and look at your chart to put in your real dimensions. Let me know if you have any questions.